Square Appointments tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with Square Appointments so you can stay organized and stay booked. Now, it's really important to have your own booking tool, and Square can solve this for you, where you can set up your own appointments, receive payments, receive deposits, as well as automate and grow your bookings, whether you are in a service-based industry or any other type. You can connect your calendars as well as add unlimited staff schedules, create your own free booking website, track your resource availability, and offer class bookings. So you have a simple one-stop shop for everything. To get started with Square Appointments, simply head on over into squareup.com/appointments, and then you're going to click on Get Started. Now, before you do need to know that there is a price plan. They have a free version, but I do recommend opting for their Plus version at $29 per month. This gives you access to more features, and it does lower your transactional fees as well. So online payments are going to be 2.9%. However, in-person payments are 2.6 on the free version and 2.5 on the Plus version, and you have manually entered payments at 3.5. Then if you take a look at features like multiple booking locations, class bookings, and wait lists, all of those are only available on the Plus version. But when you're getting started, even the free version does have all of the core features, so you can scale as you go. After that, you're going to be entering your email address to create your Square account. So we're just going to enter our email address, and then once we do that, we're going to agree and then click on create account. Once we do that, we're just going to log on into Square, and I'm just going to be signing up into Square over here. And then once we have created our account on Square, we're just going to proceed into our Square App dashboard. And you will see in Square, first off, you have multiple different applications, including your items and services, and then you can click on Add More. Click on Square Appointments. Once you click on Square Appointments, click on Get Started to set up your own appointment and booking tool. Now, once we do that, this will create our dashboard for our Square Appointment section. So we're going to click on Start Setup, and then we're going to get started with our primary setup. So starting off, you want to verify your identity so you can take appointments, because you do need to have some kind of credit or debit system so that you can accept the payments that you're going to receive. So for that, you do need to verify your identity, do your 2FA, add information about your business, so what kind of proprietorship this is, whether this is an LLC, so on and so forth. Once you have completed that information, you are going to add your business location and set up your hours of operation. Now, your hours of operation for your shop versus individual employees' schedules can be different. So it's really easy to do that with the help of Square. I'm going to add our physical location over here, and I'm just going to add all of the information that we have. So I'm just going to scroll in, save and continue. And then after that, you're going to proceed with creating your services and creating your calendars. So when you click on your calendar over here, it will show you all of your bookings. And then if you click on your gearbox icon, you will have a few different icons that are going to confirm the bookings, unconfirmed, customer has service before, multi-staff, customer has service after, new client, so on and so forth. You can build these identifiers. Then on the top right, you also have this clock icon. This clock icon actually just denotes your staff or your basic location availability. So I have, let's say we open at 12, or let's say we open at 9 to maybe 12. Like so, or 9 to 11 maybe. That's gonna be 23 hours, like so, 9 to 23. And this is only on the weekends. On the weekdays we have regular availability. Then I'm just gonna click on done, and this allows me to add a simple booking section for my particular salon or spa or whatever type of industry you are in. Now, proceeding further, we can go into our overview, and within that, we have a wait list as well, where clients can join through a wait list through your booking website. Then after that, you have online booking. So you can click on channels over here to set up your online booking channel, which is just going to be your online booking website. Below that, you also have your settings, which allow you to integrate your Instagram or other calendars. So this allows you to have customers, if they're scrolling on Instagram and they come across your salon or spa or whatever service you have, they can instantly book from there. You have an advanced widget that you can install on your pre-existing website if you already have one. And then below that, you have your general settings, including your calendars and bookings. When you accept payments, you have reservation guarantees. Do you have customer booking time zones? Do you have wait lists, marketing opt-ins, as well as any custom fields whenever a client is going to be making a booking? Then you have online scheduling, so appointments can't be scheduled further out more than 60 days. I don't like to schedule anything more than 60 days, so I'm just going to save that. Then we have clients may reschedule and cancel their own appointments, allow multiple services to be booked online, remove team members from the online booking site. So this will automatically assign team members and you can see them. Then you have daily appointment limit as well as any calendar syncing. Then you have payments and cancellations, which is really important, especially if you have those types of bookings where you want to take deposits beforehand to ensure that there is no type of cancellation and you don't waste your time and money when you think you have a booking and then no one shows up. So you can set up requirements to book, and you can add requirements such as require full prepayment or hold card in case of a no-show. Then you have a cutoff and policy time. Then you have your communications. So within your communications, you can set up reminders and confirmations 1 hour prior to appointments, and you can customize this to whenever you want to send out these reminders. Now, once we have set up all of our basics, now we're going to go back into appointments and then go into online booking. Then we're going to go into channels and start customization. So we're going to click on enable online booking. Once we do that, we're going to customize our booking channel. So this is our location. Then we have booking site and we have one service. We can click on edit service display, show our categories, and show all the different services we have. Then you can choose if you want to add classes. Then you have add your booking flow to an existing site, so on and so forth. Now, depending on how you want to schedule everything, I want a Square online site. We can completely build our website on Square, so you can click on get started, and you can just get started with a free website on Square because Square in itself is a website builder. So you have a fully customized site that you can build with the help of Square. And I'm just going to open this up, and this allows me to build a website with their templates. And you can go into items and services and then go into items and start adding all of your items and services here. Obviously, you're going to add your services here as well, and they will show up in your booking system. And just like so, you can get started with creating your own appointments and bookings with Square. It's a pretty simple to use item platform, and it simplifies a lot of the difficult tasks of setting up a scheduling tool.
So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.